If you want to make a PDF file on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, here's what you can do. So first I'm going to use the Photos app as an example, the Photos library. We're going to create a PDF file out of Photos. I'm going to tap on Select in the top right corner. We can choose whatever we want to include in the PDF document. So let's say I'm going to choose these photos over here. And now we're going to tap on this Share button in the bottom left corner. In here you want to scroll down to find the Print option. And then let's select it. After that you can tap on the same button again in the top right corner, and then as you can see we are creating PDF and we want to choose where we want to save it. So I'm gonna choose to save to Files. You can also choose where exactly you want to save it. I'm just gonna keep it over here on the iCloud drive. I'm gonna actually replace because I already have a similar file. But after that we should be able to go to the Files app and we can actually open our PDF file quite easily, as you can see over here. But this is of course creating PDF out of images. You can actually make PDF file out of almost everything. So you can go to Notes app as well. And over here, if you open anything that you wish to make a PDF out of, let me actually unlock this. And then what you can do is you can once again tap on the Share button that this time is in the top right corner. And just try to do the same thing. This time we actually need to tap on more in order to find the Print option, but the rest is the same. We can tap on the Share button again, and then we have Save to Files, and then choose where you want to save it. And now if we go to the Files app again, you should be able to find our PDF document in here, and it is actually indeed PDF document. If I go to Info, as you can see, it is PDF. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.